Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today's topic is my chair. Number 1 line. My chair is very comfortable. Number 2. It is made of strong wood. Number 3. My chair has 4 legs. Number 4. I use it to sit and study. Number 5. The color of my chair is brown. Number 6. It is kept near my study table. Number 7. My chair is clean and neat. Number 8. I sit on it while reading books. Number 9. It helps me sit properly. Number 10. I like my chair very much. Thank you, dear friends. If you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.